Hey everyone, Force Restart here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube app not working on your Android phone, tablet, or device by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's dive right into it. So if you go ahead and open up YouTube, maybe it's not opening up, maybe the sound isn't working, maybe video isn't playing. All of these can be solved by following these troubleshooting steps. First thing is go ahead and open up your app switcher. If you have it open, just simply swipe up to close it and then pull down the top menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and then turn it off as well. That way, to make sure internet connection is working. A lot of times if you don't have a good strong internet connection through Wi-Fi or cellular data, YouTube is not going to work. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is start by going into your setting and then look for apps. And in the apps here, you can search for YouTube here or scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the YouTube app. So we're going to go ahead and find the YouTube app right here. And then we're going to go ahead and simply force stop it. And then after you force stop, you're going to go back to and go ahead and try to open it now and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, don't worry. Go back to your setting under the app setting for it. This time, we're going to go ahead and make sure we give certain permissions. So if you're using a YouTube for uploading or maybe for microphone or anything, you want to make sure certain access is allowed, specifically camera and microphone, while using the app if you're doing any uploads or for sound as well. And if you're uploading photos and videos, you also want to make sure that it is allowed either always or limited access, but you want those access allowed as well. Now, the next thing you want to check out is basically going to be here down below where you have storage. You're going to tap on that. You're going to go ahead and clear the cache and go ahead and try it now. Now, once you have done this step, the next thing you're going to have and check out is if there's an update for YouTube. So you're going to go to the Play Store and then in the search navigation, search for YouTube. And then when you do that, if there is a word update next to it, go ahead and update. It says if it says open, it's already up to date, but you want to update the latest version just to make sure it's not a issue from the previous version that's causing any issues. So go ahead and do that. Now, once you update your app to the latest version, you're going to try to go ahead and relaunch it and open it up, see if it's working, right? Now, if it's still not working, again, swipe up to close it out, and then you're going to restart the phone. So pull down the top menu, click on the power icon, click on restart, or use the volume down in the side button as well, and go ahead and restart as well. Now, once you have restarted, and if you're still having the issue, the next thing to update is your phone software if you can. So in your main setting here, you're going to start by going from the main settings, scroll all the way down to software update, and check if there's a new update out. If there is, go ahead and update your phone until it is up to date with the latest version to make sure the phone software version matches to the version of your YouTube app as well. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is go into your setting and then go back to apps as well, and then we're going to go back to YouTube app settings. So let's go ahead to our YouTube app setting, and this time click on the three dots here, click on uninstall updates, and then uninstall those updates. Once it's uninstalled, you're going to go ahead and exit out of the setting app, go back to the Play Store, and then update it again once more just to ensure that you have the correct update and there was an issue with the updates. Now, once it's updated and still not working, a couple other things to look at is that in your settings, if you're using any VPN, you need to ensure those VPNs are turned off temporarily and checking it out. So in your settings, go to connections and then look for any VPN connection that you may be using. So under more connection settings, if you have any VPN, turn off that VPN temporarily. If you have any private DNS, you also need to turn that off as well. Now, along with that, the other thing you also want to check out is your phone date and time is correct. So in your setting, check out your general management and then date and time. Make sure the date and time you want to turn off automatically. Make sure those are correct and then go back to automatic if it's not correct. Now, last thing you want to check out is your phone storage. So in your setting, go to device care and take a look at your storage. Very important that you have at least a couple gigs available and you're not maxed out, because YouTube is a big app. When it launches, it requires a couple gigs in order to properly play videos and upload videos and things like that. If you don't have it, you want to delete some stuff. There's some recommendation if you can delete maybe things around here. For example, I want to delete this. I can go ahead and delete it, delete some apps, files, anything that this recommends, or unused apps as well that you don't use, and then you'll free up some storage like this and just delete them, and that's going to help you clear up storage and making sure everything works. And by following these troubleshooting steps, you should have YouTube working. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.